Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our latest tech review. Today, we have something super exciting but a bit unexpected. The Tecno Pop 10C. Yeah, you heard that right. Tecno just randomly dropped this phone, no teaser, no ad, nothing. It just caught everyone off guard. But hey, surprise launches can be a bit exciting, right? Now let's see if this is worth your money. The Tecno Pop 10C is priced at 95,700 Naira, which makes it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. As for storage, it comes with 64GB of internal storage, which is pretty decent for storing your apps, photos, and videos. And if that's not enough, you can expand it with the microSD card slots that this phone supports. Alright, let's talk unboxing. The Tecno Pop 10C comes in this neat box, and inside we have the phone itself wrapped in this plastic that shows the major highlights. Moving on, we have the MTN voucher, a 12+1 month warranty card, a sleek gel case that adds extra protection to this device. We have a 10-watt charger, basic earphone, a USB-C cable, and finally, ejector tool. I love when brands include these extras like the earphone that comes in the box of this smartphone, and is a nice touch for most users. Nice one, Tecno. The Tecno Pop 10C has a sleek and modern design. It feels lightweight and comfortable in the hand, making it easy to carry around. The build quality on here looks really solid, and it looks more premium than you expect at this price point. This device features a 6.6-inch HD screen and a 90Hz refresh rate, which is okay for general use but might not be sharp enough for users who love streaming movies or playing high-quality games. This device runs on Android 14 on iOS 13.6.0, which offers some neat features and customization options. The interface on here is really smooth and feels pretty user-friendly. This device is powered by an octa-core Unisoc T606 processor, and it comes with 4GB of RAM, and it can handle basic tasks well, but it may struggle to keep up with more intensive apps or heavy multitasking. If you're into high-end gaming or running multiple apps at once, you might find the performance a bit sluggish. For the standard feature, on the right side, we have the volume rocker key and the power button that also doubles down as a fingerprint sensor, and it is fast most of the time while unlocking this device. Now to the top, we have a single firing speaker. To the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB-C port, and another speaker on this device, making it a dual stereo speaker. And if you turn to the left, we have a tray for your dual 4G nano SIM card and your microSD card slot. And all this comes in to complement this device at this price point. Now let's talk about the camera. The camera quality on here is decent, but doesn't quite match up with higher end phones. Guys, the 13-megapixel rear camera is good in a well-lit condition, but it struggles in low light, so expect grainy or blurry photos when the light is not ideal. Now for the front-facing camera, the 8-megapixel front-facing camera on here is fine. It is not perfect, but it gets the job done. Just go through all these pictures right here and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Now for the battery, which is one of the key selling points of this device. The Tecno Pop 10C here comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which means it can last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you finally drain the battery of this device, you can juice it up with the included 10-watt charger. And it took almost 2 hours to charge this smartphone from 0 to 100%, which is not great at all. So guys, what do you think about the Tecno Pop 10C? For me, I would say for the price, it is okay, but it has its downside. I'd like to hear your own thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit on the like button if you found this video helpful, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any of our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye bye.